I'm at the beach. I'm at the beach. I've made it to the beach. I'm at the seashore. The Jersey Shore. That's right. Little Freddie here now travels with us to the Jersey Shore. Because she has this thyroid thing and we have to give her this medicine in her food. So we have to strictly give it to her and not the other cats. So the other cats stay home and she comes with us. Let's walk the boardwalk. Yeah.
You got it, Mom?
Beautiful day out here. What do you think? On a Thursday morning, early Thursday morning. How you feeling there, Hobbles? Hobbling along, are you?
Pain.
In pain? Can't walk, huh? That's awful. How's that beachcomber coming along?
Tiki bar.
It's a tiki bar up there, huh? Where do you want to go now? Lucky Leo's? Can you go to Lucky Leo's? Is that where you want to go?
I'm not going far. I can't.
We'll go to Lucky Leo's. How's that sound? Off to Lucky Leo's.
Happy Harry is jumping jack.
They moved the sign down.